Small cell lung cancer, SCLC, is considered one of the deadliest cancers and is the most aggressive form of lung cancer. The 5-year survival rate for patients with extensive stage SCLC is just 3%. As a significant breakthrough in the treatment of SCLC, the world's first approved anti-PD-1 monoclonal antibody for first-line treatment, Hansidrun, was developed in China. Today, this innovative drug, developed independently in China, has been out-licensed to over 70 countries and regions, including the United States, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and North Africa. It stands out among many of Fosun's products going global. Hansidrun is developed and manufactured by Fosun Pharma's subsidiary, Shanghai Henlius. From its inception, Shanghai Henlius has been aligned with Fosun's globalization strategy, targeting the global market and striving to provide affordable, innovative biopharmaceuticals to patients worldwide. As Guo Guangchang, chairman of Fosun International, stated,
作为一个医药企业，不去全球发展空间是有限的，所以我们必须加大我们全球化能力的建设。这块恰恰也是复星的优势所在。
In the biopharmaceutical field, while the overseas market holds vast potential, the challenges of going global far exceed those of general consumer products. For a long time, the journey for Chinese biopharmaceuticals to go global has been challenging. The difficulties lie not only in research and development and production, but also in understanding and responding to different markets. Additionally, companies must quickly establish international collaborations and commercialization capabilities, and even develop localization capabilities in target markets. HanChuYu, the biosimilar product for the treatment of early-stage HER2-positive breast cancer, metastatic breast cancer, and metastatic gastric cancer, has become the first Chinese monoclonal antibody biosimilar approved in China, the European Union, and the US. It has been out-licensed to about 100 countries and regions, and has received market approval in 48 countries and regions, making it the China-developed biosimilar with the most approvals worldwide. Fosun's efforts to globalize its biopharmaceuticals did not stop there. As an international and innovative biopharmaceutical company, biosimilars and innovative drugs are the twin drivers that fuel Shanghai Henlius' robust growth. The overseas launch of innovative drugs has become an essential step in transforming the company into a global biopharma. The overseas launch of biosimilars has enabled Shanghai Henlius to establish its international influence from the ground up. This process has allowed the company to accumulate valuable experience in global operations, laying a solid foundation for overseas clinical operations, regulatory registration, manufacturing, and commercialization of innovative drugs. The aforementioned Hansidrun serves as an important example. With Shanghai Henlius overseas clinical operation capabilities, over 4,000 patients have been recruited for clinical trials of Hansidrun, making it one of the PD-1 products with the most international clinical data, thus accelerating its market entry in Southeast Asia, Europe, and the US. Fosun's biopharmaceuticals going global have thus created a new landscape where innovative drugs and biosimilars advance side by side. In 2023, Shanghai Henlius became the first innovative pharmaceutical company to achieve profitability through product sales among Hong Kong's 18 A-listed companies. Currently, Fosun's capabilities in globalizing biopharmaceuticals are further enhanced as it takes steps toward localization abroad. In the US, Shanghai Henlius has established a clinical operations team to pave the way for clinical trials of new drugs. Meanwhile, Fosun Pharma has formed an innovative drug team in the US that is preparing for the commercialization of Hansidrun in regions such as Europe and Southeast Asia. Shanghai Henlius has set up global clinical centers. In the Middle East, the company is exploring local financing opportunities for the co-development of early-stage pharmaceutical pipelines targeting the global market. In addition to Shanghai Henlius, Fosun's overseas product launches are also benefiting more patients worldwide. For instance, Fosun Pharma's independently developed anti-malarial artemisinin products have saved the lives of over 72 million severe malaria patients globally as of June 2024. The construction of Fosun Pharma's Côte d'Ivoire Park is also progressing, which will enable localized pharmaceutical manufacturing and supply in Africa. This project will not only reduce drug costs, but also drive the development of Africa's pharmaceutical industry. From achieving breakthroughs with biosimilars to leveraging the twin drivers of innovative drugs and biosimilars, enriching pipelines, and building overseas teams, every step taken by Fosun Pharma and Shanghai Henlius in their globalization strategy reflects Fosun's deep understanding of globalization. Of course, Fosun's globalization extends beyond the biopharmaceutical sector and is not limited to overseas product launches. In sectors such as insurance, tourism, and culture, Fosun is also building regional capabilities to achieve global operations and establish a profound global industrial presence. Fosun Biz-Insight, the making of a global innovative company.